and welcome to Beautiful You TV. Today we're going to do this makeup look, which is a vampire look. And this is the third look from my Halloween series this year. And as you understand, I had to remove those teeth in order to talk to you because vampire teeth are so uncomfortable. So you have to consider that issue if you're planning to be a vampire this year. But with regards to this look, I have to say that it's extremely easy. It's so fast to do. And if you are a beginner in makeup or if you don't have that much time on the Halloween day, then this is the look for you. And if you want to know how to do it, then continue watching. Okay, let's begin. First of all, let's prime our faces. And I'm using Sheer and Me Primer by Hard Candy. And I apply the primer to the whole of my face, and this will make sure that the makeup stays the whole day, like this. Now take your white color. I'm using the one by an unknown brand, and I bought it in the Halloween shop. Using the foundation brush by MAC, I'm applying this color to the whole of my face, and here is a very quick and useful tip for you. You are not creating a geisha look, you're just creating a lighter face shade, so just apply this color as your foundation. And don't forget about your neck. Base for your eyeshadows. We are creating a black smoky eye today, and you don't have to be neat. Here how it should look like. Now take a flat shader brush, and I'm using the one by Makeup Store, it's 106, and just smudge the product so that you don't have any harsh lines. Now taking the black eyeshadow by absolutely any brand, apply the eyeshadow on the top of your base, and using 224 brush, smudge the product. And this is a quick way to create a smoky eye. Now take a small brush, I'm using the one by Dior. Apply the black eyeshadow underneath your eye to the lower lash line. In order to make the look even darker, apply the black pencil, I'm using the one by Dior, to your waterline. Let's finish off this look. Curl your lashes. And apply mascara. Here how it should look like so far. As you can see, my brows are not dark enough, so I'm going to make them stand out a little bit. That's why I'm using brow shadows in black color. And I apply this black color to my brows with an angled brush. Like this. Now take your lip primer, I'm using the one by Urban Decay, and apply it to your lips. This will prevent bleeding of your red lipstick. Take the red pencil and apply the contour to your lips. Take the lip brush and smudge the product so that you have a great base for your lipstick. Now take the red lip gloss and apply it on the very top. And here how it should look like. Apply your vampire teeth. And now take your vampire blood. You can use ketchup, by the way, but I bought this one in the Halloween shop as well. And just apply it as if it were blood. Ooh, that's so scary. As you can see, I've also added these very strange vampire gloves, and I think it adds something to this look as well. And yes, here is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, guys. Please make sure that you check out my previous tutorials and the upcoming ones. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best. Thank you, and bye-bye.